either the Bastrica and the Kapalbhati. I showed the difference between two to get rid of the water, so just
Okay, so this is just a combination of just like warm water with salt. You're meant to use the Himalayan rock salt.
we're improvising.
Yeah, so it's basically a warm saline solution, right? So doctors would use the same thing if they were doing any nasal surgery as well. They would wash out the passages. So they want to say like, it's got some scientific backing. So all you can do. So all you're going to do basically so basically it's just to place the tip of the stroke, putting forward gently, but not too far. And then we just tilt the head, tilt through. And then so we'll start to pull through each side. So it takes a little time to come through.
Can I make it come out of your eye as well?
It goes in one side and out the other.
Yeah. Can it come out the other?
And you meant to start from the right.
Gonna go the other way now.
What you generally do is do one entire part through one side, and then repeat it with an entire fresh part to the other side.
So you just pour it in, you're not sort of breathing it in.
You just pour it in.
You got to
You feel it goes right through the nasal passages.
put your tongue at the back of your throat, because otherwise, if you, when you first do it, the automatic reaction is to panic and go, and then all the water comes out and you cough. So yeah.
You just literally just pour it through that.
And you have an amazing sensation. This is really, really good to do before pranayama. Any of the techniques I just showed you. It really opens up the nasal passages. So you really feel like you breathe completely deeply, using all of your capacity.
Where can you buy them from?
There's loads of places
There's
online.
two for sale on the table.
Yeah.